Now for the ocean itself, I've prepared 2 batches of Let's Resin epoxy. Here's a helpful tip. I always test alcohol ink colors on a paper towel first to preview the exact shade. I'm using regular blue in one batch and peacock blue in the other. After achieving the perfect colors, I'm creating our ocean effect by carefully pouring and blending these colors together.